To zoom, use the controls at the bottom right. Click the percentage to choose a level like 100%, or use the plus and minus buttons. Keyboard shortcuts like Command plus or Command minus also work. Once you're comfortable with the view, you can explore your template. First, let's make a copy. Go to File and select Make a Copy. Notice the title now says Copy of. This is your safe, editable version. This large central area is your main canvas, where you'll do all your editing. Simply click on any text you want to change. When text is selected, the top toolbar appears. Here, you can adjust the font size. You can also change the font style. Browse the options to find one that fits your resume. Made a mistake? No problem. Click the undo arrow in the top toolbar, or use Ctrl-Z or Command-Z. You can undo multiple steps, and the redo arrow next to it will bring back changes if you undo too much. Ctrl-Shift+Z, Windows, or Command-Shift+Z, Mac, is for redo.